Agalete omogene jeans. Mogene jinika na tai. Hi man. How do you do?
How do you do, sir?
You well?
I'm grateful, and I see them with my body using blessing too, and on the churches.
How has been your week?
I've been very good, and I got a news.
You've got good news.
There is really power in this altar.
There is power on this altar.
Healing power.
Real power.
Healing power.
Healing power. You are now healed.
Yes, so I went there to the house, but that would tell me,
So you are cooking with gas?
No, it hasn't been there. I've been cooking at the hotel.
Oh, the landlord said you should not light firewood. You look like a clean man now.
I've become better.
So you are at peace.
And I'm flexible where I'm living. Say, thank you, God praise JCM, and whoever member of this church, let him bless him and same blessing and do.
Wow. So you are now happy. So will you marry?
I'm 79 years. And don't allow me to marry to marry.
Why?
Because my age, 79 years I'm going to it. I wish God can keep me to go hard in my father.
So the only strength that you have is for breathing.
I can only think about the death. And that is what man told me that never think about the other day. Simply nobody is in it, she can pay back what is bad. You can move forward with the future.
Wow.
Worship God wherever being called in the name of the Creator. His name came Jehovah.
You came for food.
I will take him and I will take him later.
So you took and now you want to take again?
I did and I take him. I want you to take chapeau.
Oh, you want for chapeau? Wakili Mwangi will buy for you Ameko. Wakili Mwangi will buy for you Ameko so that you stop eating in the hotel. And because the landlord does not want to see you lighting firewood in his house. Because it is illegal to bring smoke in someone's house.
It is a Green years ago house. I knew room. The landlord like any mouse there. Snow. I'm feeling Jackson.
So you are happy. Now I have good news for you.
Yeah, that's the good news.
I have good news for you.
Yes.
Your guitar is here today.
Oh.
Bring on the guitar. Your guitar is here today. Your guitar is here. Your guitar is here today. Your guitar is here today. And in addition, you'll be connecting to this radio. You'll be connecting to that radio. And you have a microphone. If you get a stand, you can sing from this microphone. We want you to live long. You have a very new guitar. Yes. Wapi ile mic ingine? Iko na moto? Kama haina moto, chukua mic ingine. Yes, I want you to live long. You change my Bluetooth. Caroline, by name. Yes, I want to hear how you will be beating it. Yes. Now beat it. Man. So you are this talent. Disconnect from there. He will show you how to put it on and off. So whenever you are at your home, we want you to be stress-free. Yeah?
My composition, I've never produced them. So if I get money, I produce some records.
No, you won't get money. I have a studio. You go and talk to Jeroge and he will record your songs. Are you together? Are you happy? Okay. Bring this microphone. Speak blessings to him.
May God increase his blessing to you. Have more a man many years more than me to conquer even more than you are. And all the house to be praised. Where you live with your shouting shall come with an enough sufficient age, like my father. And God bless you whenever you walk. Do not miss any of his good than to support you. I'm simply reminding you this and you.
Amen. Tupigie makofi mazuri. You know there is nothing good like a fulfilled